Salvete! Hello everybody, welcome to another video for beginners learning Latin. I'm Stephen and we're here in Unit 4. In the last couple of lessons we've been looking at fourth conjugation verbs, so audire, punire, venire. Do you remember those? Should we maybe just have a practice at conjugating audire in the present tense? Take off the ire. Audio, audis, audit. Audimus, auditis, audiunt. Again, audio, audis, audit. Audimus, auditis, audiunt. Let's have a go at doing the same with punire, to punish. Punio, punis, punit. Punimus, punitis, puniunt. Again, punio, punis, punit. Punimus, punitis, puniunt. So the key thing is we've got the I all the way through. Io, is, et, imus, itis, iunt. Other verbs included custodire, to be a custodian, to guard. Yeah, custodio, custodis, custodit. Invenire, to find. Invenio, invenis, invenit. So we've practiced that a little bit. We need to keep that in mind. I want to now go back to nouns and third declension nouns. So we talked about these a lot in the last unit. I want to practice them further and introduce some new ones to you guys today. So let's start with our first word, and the word is rex. Rex. It's a masculine third declension noun. Any ideas what it might be? Rex. King. Well done if you got it. King. And let us just decline this together. When you look in a dictionary, it will give you rex, M masculine, and then it should give you regis or GIS. And you might think, what's that piece of information? Well, it's actually the genitive singular form. So let's just go through the declension together and then I'll talk a bit more about that. So we have, going down from the singular, nominative, vocative, all the way down to ablative, rex, rex, regem, regis, genitive, regi, dative, rege, ablative. Rex, rex, regem, regis, regi, rege. Rex, rex, regem, regis, regi, rege. Rex, rex, regem, regis, regi, rege. So the regis was indicated in the dictionary, and that is necessary because we can see that the word has undergone a change because the X, which features in the nominative and the vocative, has transformed to a G. And you might not have known that. You wouldn't have guessed that unless you're perhaps a bit more experienced with Latin. And so that information is crucial. So in every form, other than the nominative and vocative singular, we're going to get a G instead of an X. So gem, gis, gi, ge. And that's going to follow through with the G in the plural. Let's do those. Reges, reges, reges. So nice and easy from nominative, vocative, accusative, all the same. Genitive, regum, regibus, regibus, dative and ablative plural. Reges, 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 regum, regibus, regibus. Reges, 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 regum, of the kings. Regibus, to or for the kings. Regibus, by, from, or with the kings. Let's do singular, guys, then plural. Rex, rex, regem, regis, regi, rege. Plural. Reges, 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 regum, regibus, regibus. One more time, singular, then plural. Rex, rex, regem, regis, regi, rege. Plural, reges, 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 regum, regibus, regibus. So we can see, apart from the nominative and vocative, singular, where you've got the X, all the forms get the G. So when you have a third declension noun, the dictionary will always give you the genitive singular, because once you know that, in this case it's a G, it will be different with each word. You know that that's going to stick, and it's going to be in all the forms, apart from the nominative and vocative singular. Okay, but the endings, the is, the em for accusative, the is for genitive, the e for dative, etc., are always the same. So the third declension endings are the same. It's just that the middle bit, usually a consonant, often changes. And that's the piece of information that you need from the dictionary or whichever book you're using, kind of exercise book. And when you record the third declension noun, you need to write down as this one, rex, M masculine, regis or GIS gives you the genitive singular equals king. You need that information so that you can utilize the word and decline it properly. All right. So let's make a few sentences with this king of ours. The king comes to the house, to the villa. Remember, to is ad plus accusative, ad willam. And to come is about venire. Spelled with a V. Venire, venire, venio, venis, when it. He, she comes. So rex, when it, ad willam. Rex, ad willam, when it. Rex, ad willam, when it. The farmer, agriculture, agricola. The farmer greets the king. Who's greeting? The farmer's greeting, therefore he's nominative, agricola. Whom is he greeting? The king. The king's the accusative. So he's not going to say Rex. It's going to be regem, isn't it? So, agricola regem salutat. Agricola regem salutat or regem agricola salutat. No difference of meaning there, guys. Regem agricola salutat. Quite normal in Latin to put your accusative first. The farmer gives money to the king. The farmer gives money to the king. Wow. Some things never change, eh? Money's pecunia. Agricola. Now, to the king, what case is that? Need to know this really quick. Dative, so it's going to be regi. To or for the king, going to indirect object. So, agricola, nominative. Regi, to the king. Dat is gives, dat. What does he give? Pecuniam, accusative. Agricola, regi, pecuniam, dat. Agricola, pecuniam, regi, dat. Regi, agricola, pecuniam, dat. In whichever order you like. All right. But the key thing is regi, to the king. He's the recipient. Pecuniam, accusative. And the doer, the person who's giving, he gives dat, from the verb dare, do, das, dat, is the farmer, nominative. Agricola, dat. Agricola, regi, pecuniam, dat. All right. So to or for the king. If something belongs to the king, of the king, it will be genitive. Regis, the villa of the king. Villa regis, regis villa. The money of the king. The king's apostrophe S, money. Pecunia regis. This time we've got two kings. The money of the kings, they've got to share it. Pecunia regum. So re is always genitive singular, of the person, of the king. Sometimes I-U-M, depending on the word, more often is of the king's. Pecunia regum. The slaves of the kings. Servi regum, etc. All right. So we've had rex regis, and this is how I want you to learn them. Rex regis. You need to know that second bit. Let's look at a few more third declension nouns. We have nox, feminine, noctis. That's your genitive singular, and it means night. Let's think about nocturnal. If you're nocturnal, you're up at night, right? So nox, noctis. The next one, it rhymes. Vox. Vox, feminine, vocis. Notice the elongation of the O. Vox, vocis is a voice. We had very early on in this course the verb vocare. Vocare, to call. And you call by means of your vox, your voice. So we've got nox as night and vox is voice. Nox and vox, both feminine as it happens. Nox, noctis. So we've changed from X to C. Noc plus T, noctis. And vox, vocis, just to see this time. Let's have another one. Miles. Miles is a completely different looking word, isn't it? Notice the long E. Miles, twice the length of a short vowel. And this means a soldier. Military, militia. Miles, masculine noun, third declension, genitive singular. Militis. Wow. So this one it's perhaps the biggest change we've come across. So from ES in the nominative and the vocative singular, just soldier, of the soldier, militis. Militis. So long first syllable, mi, short, li, short, tis. Militis, of the soldier. All right. And the last one for the day is uxor. Feminine noun, genitive, uxoris. Uxoris. So that doesn't really do anything, it just gets the ending on the end. Like remember when we had gladiator, gladiatoris. So this hasn't undergone any particular change. This means a wife. Okay, I'm not sure how guessable that one is. Uxor, you may know the English word uxorious does exist. Uxorious is somebody who's particularly fond of his wife. All right. Such an uxorious gentleman. Maybe we should start using that word more in conversation, day-to-day speech. Let us all be uxorious, presuming you have a wife, of course. So let's just practice declining some of these words according to our pattern. So remember, you need to implement the change, which is indicated in the genitive singular. It will be given in brackets in your reference book. So let's do nox, night, singular, through the cases. Nox, nox, accusative, noctem, N-O-C-T-E-M, because we've been told that the X is replaced with CT. Noct, and then we just had our typical endings. Noctem, accusative. I love the night. Noctem, ammo. I fear the night. I'm timid of it. Noctem, timeo. I don't fear it. Noctem, non timeo. Of the night. Noctis. Noctis. To or for the night. Nocti. Ablative, nocte. Nox, nox, noctem. Noctis, nocti, nocte. Again. Nox, nox, noctem. Noctis, nocti, nocte. An interesting one here and one to learn is nocte. The ablative singular is used to mean at night. Ablative often indicates time when, specific time. So nocte means at night. I walk at night. Nocte ambulo. I walk at night in the streets. Nocte in we are ambulo. Nocte at night. Let's do wox, okay? I'm going to get a long vowel sound. Wox, wox, wokem, accusative. I hear the voice. Wokem, audio. So just the voice, wox, subject. I hear the voice, object. Wokem, audio. So we've got C. Of the voice, wokis. To or for the voice, woki. By, from, or with the voice, woke. Plural, wokes, wokes, wokes. Wokum, wokibus, wokibus. All right. Let's do soldier. Miles. Vocative, miles. Accusative, militem. I praise the soldier. Militem. Laudo. I fear the soldier. Militem. Timeo. Militis of the soldier. The sword of the soldier. Gladius militis. Militis gladius. The spear of the soldier. Hasta. Militis or militis. Hasta. So miles, militem, militis. To or for the soldier, militi. By, from, or with the soldier, milite. Cum milite, for instance, with the soldier. I walk with the soldier. Cum milite, ambulo. Miles, miles, militem. Militis, milite, milite, plural. Milites, soldiers. Milites, milites. So it's nice in the plural for the third declensions because the nominative and the accusative, the vocative as well, but that's less common. The nominative and the accusative are identical. All right. So soldiers doing something is milites. I see, know, fear the soldiers. The object is still milites. All right. Milites, 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 militum of the soldiers. Militibus, militibus. Singular and plural. Miles, miles, militem, militis, militi, milite, plural. Milites, 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 accusative. Militum of the soldiers, militibus, militibus. Last noun, uxor. All right, but this is quite a nice one, the or nouns, because there's no vowel, there's no change in the middle, we just add the ending. So uxor, uxor, uxorem, it's long. Uxoris of the wife, uxori, to or for the wife, uxore, by, from, or with the wife. Uxor, uxor, uxorem, uxoris, uxori, uxore. I love the wife, maybe my wife. Uxorem, ammo. Uxorem, ammo. I praise the wife. Uxorem, laudo. The money of the wife, genitive. Pecunia, uxoris. Uxoris, pecunia. Plural. Uxores, uxores, uxores. Uxorum of the wives. Uxoribus, uxoribus. Uxores, uxores, uxores. Uxorum, uxoribus, uxoribus. So we've got our nouns. We should know the patterns by now. We just have to make a note of the third declension, genitive singular. Let's make some more sentences. So, I said at night is the ablative nocte, from nox nocte. The king comes to the house at night. The king comes when it to the house or villa at night. Rex nocte ad villam venit, from venire. Rex nocte ad villam venit. Rex nocte ad villam venit. The king punishes the farmer. Rex agricolam, accusative, punit, from punire. Rex agricolam punit. At night we hear, using audire, farmers in the street. At night we hear farmers, accusative, in the street. Nocte audimus agricolas in via. Agricolas in via nocte audimus. We often hear farmers in the street at night. Saipe. Agricolas in via nocte saipe audimus. Audimus. What about, let's go to custodire, to guard, to be the custodian, to watch over. Custodio, custodis, custoded. The soldier guards the robber. Remember, the robber is latro. Latronem is your accusative. Miles latronem custoded. Miles, focus on that long first syllable. Miles, nominative, soldier. Latronem, accusative, custoded. Let's pluralize the soldiers, more than one soldier. The soldiers guard the robber at night, or watch over the robber. I don't know if guard's the right word here, but we can use it in Latin, using custodire, at night. So milites, we had miles, soldier, milites, the soldiers, latronem, nocte, at night, custodiunt, for a fourth conjugation verb. Milites, latronem, nocte, custodiunt. What about the soldiers, plural again, guard the villa of the king? The soldiers guard the villa of the king. Let's just do the subject and the verb first. So, milites, plural nominative. From custodire, custodiunt. Let's just conjugate that together. Custodio, custodis, custodit. Custodimus, custoditis, custodiunt. So, eo, I, iunt, they, for fourth conjugation verb. Milites custodiunt. What are they guarding? The villa, accusative, villam, of the king, genitive singular. Regis with the G, from rex, regis. Milites, villam regis custodiunt. Milites regis villam custodiunt. Villam regis milites custodiunt. Villam regis milites nocte, at night, custodiunt. Nocte custodiunt. Now, we've said vox is the voice, and I gave you the word, the ablative woke, with an O-C-E, woke. If you want to say in a loud voice, that's an ablative phrase, because that's the instrument that you're using, by means of. Remember, ablative covers the by, from, or with. So if somebody does something in a loud voice, we can use the adjective clarus. Clarus, clear, and it's feminine. Clara woke. In a clear voice, in a loud voice. Clara woke. Say it. Clara woke. V-O-C-E, woke. Clara woke. Right. The king calls the soldier in a loud voice. The verb is vocare, so vocat. The king calls the soldier, accusative, in a loud voice. Rex militem clara voce vocat. Rex militem clara voce vocat. Well done if you're getting this right. The master chastises the slave in a loud voice. Remember, castigare. To chastise, to punish, to reprimand. Castigare. The master, the dominus, chastises the slave in a loud voice. Dominus servum clara voce castigat. Dominus servum clara voce castigat. Very nice. Let's go to the wife now. The wife is in the atrium. The wife is in the atrium. Uxor, nominative, est in atrio. Uxor in atrio est. So the noun is atrium, neuter, and in a place is ablative, and that's why it's atrio. In atrio. Uxor in atrio est. The farmer has a wife. Let's make it the accusative. The farmer has a wife. You remember the verb habere? Habeo, habes, habet. Agricola, habet. Uxorem. Elongate the O. Uxorem, accusative. Agricola, uxorem, habet. Agricola, uxorem, habet. But the son does not have a wife. But the son literally has not, or not has, wife. Sed filius uxorem non habet. Literally just not has. N-O-N, new word, habet. Non habet, has not. Not has. Agricola uxorem habet. Sed filius uxorem non habet. Let's do a last sentence of the day, guys. The master praises the wife, could be his wife, in a loud voice or with a loud voice. Clara voce from Vox. The master praises, remember laudare, laudare, the wife in a loud voice. Dominus uxorem, accusative, clara voce laudat. Dominus uxorem clara voce laudat. Very well done if you're getting these, guys. Let's just go back and practice declension with rex, masculine, third declension, king, genitive singular, regis. So, rex, rex, regem, regis, 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 regi, rege. Again, rex, rex, regem, regis, regi, rege. Plural. Reges, 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 regum, regibus, regibus. Reges, 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 regum, regibus, regibus. Let's do a soldier. Miles, miles, militem, militis, militi, milite. Miles, miles, militem, militis, militi, milite. Plural. Milites, 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 militum, militibus, militibus. So, worth practicing these, and some of them are a little bit tongue twisters, aren't they? So you just have to practice it a few times, get used to it. Focus on the long syllable, know where that is. So miles, plural, milites. And have a go at making your own short sentences using some of the words and the verbs that we've learned so far in this course. So I hope that's been helpful, guys. I'm going to finish here and aim to come back very soon with a new video for you. So thanks for watching. Please like the video if you found it useful. Feel free to subscribe, add a comment, and share with others who you might think who you think may benefit from these Latin videos. So for now, I shall say thank you, gratias, ago, et valete.